Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. What's protecting your electronics? CRST 6-outlet heavy-duty power strip looks amazing in my living room, and I appreciate that I can fit all of my plugs in one receptacle. And as you can see, it fits comfortably and there's no squishing of the plugs. This one is about 2 inches, and I couldn't really fit this one into any of my extension cords. They were either too narrow or my plug wire was being bent, and that is definitely not good. Now I have this heavy-duty power strip surge protector with individual switches that I can turn off each one if I want to, or use the master switch. How wonderful is that? And I also appreciate the flat plug, so I can have any appliance in front of it and it doesn't stress the wire out from bending. So enjoy peace of mind with CRST's heavy-duty power strip. We appreciate it, we love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.